Let me pull this up. Yo! YouTube gang! Bruv, how's your good strat going? Wait, good? Are you saying good? Because I think there's a comment somebody said, oh man, what's your win rate? And I just said good. Because it's like, what do you think? Like, I'm not going to fucking, like, yeah, it's good. What up, YouTube? Good to see you guys. Look, isn't this crazy? We're doing it again. What a crazy time to be alive. I just oh, you are talking about that comment. That's fucking hilarious. What a crazy time to be alive. Because turns out we're doing it again. Sorry guys, I'm just adjusting the screen over here quickly on YouTube. Oh, thank you for the gift there, bro. Broad. Yeah, that'll do. Something like that. Yeah, this is annoying. Nothing better than coming onto a stream to adjust shit. All right, that'll do. Whatever. All right, guys. Monday. Good to be here with you guys. Very happy to be here with you guys. Let's do it, right? Let's do the thing. Let's do the thing that we came here to do. And we'll come here tomorrow. And we came here last week and the week before and probably forever. I don't know about you guys, but I'll probably be doing this for the rest of my life. And it looks like gold's aggressively just burst out the seams. I had a buy stop sitting there a couple seconds ago as well, but I deleted it. Big graph in the hood. All right, so now I'm gonna at least, hey, check this out. This is awesome, you guys. What just happened then just set us up for a beautiful level of support and resistance now. This is incredible. But what I'm actually gonna do, you guys, on YouTube, look at this. I'm actually gonna move my level to here and base it on what's right here as opposed to this. Because if we get a breakout past this, I know right here is gonna give it issues. Okay? So I'm gonna base it on this. But regardless, we've got a really good range here now. This is beautiful. I want to learn trading. Learn then, my dude. Please guide me, bro. My guide would just be, say, jump on Google. Start Googling the basics. Like, honestly, I'm not saying that to be a dick. I'm being dead serious. Google the basics. But yeah, here we are, you guys. Incredible stuff. Can't see your screen? Yeah, if you look on the screen, the text that I have there on TikTok, you'll see where you can see the screen. What's your name on YouTube? It says it on the TikTok screen right now. You can see it. Look at the writing that I put on the screen. Like literally where I'm pointing right now. You guys on TikTok, if you look where I'm pointing right now, your mind will be thoroughly and physically and chronologically blown. Do you trade futures? Yeah, I trade futures, Paul. And it's good to see some of you guys on the YouTube here saying it's your first time here. Nicholas and Rocky. Epic. But yeah, you guys, we've got some good shit to play with now. We have some shit to play with. And I love playing with shit. Bless her. Look what it says on the TikTok screen right here. Blessed. Highly favored. But yeah, continuing. It looks like some of the guys in the Discord caught this trade as well today. This was a pretty easy one. Had a level here. Right, had this level here. This candle broke out, retested, buy stop sitting there. Pretty easy. Textbook breakout stuff over here. I've been a nasty girl. Were you on Bachelor? No, I was on Farmer Wants a Knife. It's a new series. It's a spin-off from Farmer Wants a Wife. It's where you search for the perfect knife. What is this gold? Yes. Oh, we just started the top step, but can't figure out how to close partials. To close partials, you basically, if you're in a buy position, you just sell however much you want to take off. So if I was in a buy position of 10 micros and I wanted to take off 70%, I would sell 7 micros. Oh, it's also your first time as well. Okay, sweet. It's every day, bro. They need to like intertwine the "it's till this day" with Jake Paul's "it's every day, bro." It's every day, bro, with that Jake Paul flow. Anyway, so we've got a pretty clear range here. Like, man, I'm happy for if we get a break of either of these levels, you guys. Like, pretty much, you could retire your mummy. You could retire your mummy. Let me put some text here then. Maybe that's a good idea. Maybe a bit of text here will be a good idea for people that are new. Below closure. Put that at the bottom. I just realized I could do this. I would never have to type it again. Wow. Save as buys. All right, dope. And we'll see. Are you a trader? Bro! Same here, first time. Well, strap in, brother, because Morning Bro requested my first ever payout from AECG. Incredible. Wow, beautiful. They have flagged my payout. Ooh. I'll tell you, man, that's why you got to stick with the main. No, you are a streamer. I'm actually a trader that started streaming, not because I wanted to stream, but because I wanted to keep myself accountable. And I thought, man, if I just start pressing record, then there's a high probability that I'll stick to my rules because I'm scared that people might watch. And then one person showed up, then 2, right? Because people say in the chat a fair bit, like, you're just a streamer, dude. I'm like, oh, I don't know, man. Okay, check this out, guy that said that. Imagine a guy that's just a streamer managed to have a month like this. Manage these loss. Imagine a streamer had an equity curve like this. Imagine a streamer just had a win to loss ratio like this. Oh, you can't see it. You're on TikTok. Yeah, anyway. Fuck, what was I saying? Oh, wow. A lot of you guys first time here. Okay, sweet. Good to have you guys here. What up, Big John? Background change? Nah. I'll open up the window when it gets dark. Show us your watch collection. I don't have one. But new week, you guys. Another week where we just get to exercise fucking discipline, game plan, system. Show up, win, lose, or draw. The goal is just to show up and execute the plan. We cannot control the outcome, but we can control ourselves from getting out of control and making bad decisions in the market. That's a guarantee of something that we can do. What time frame you usually change? I switch between them all. I usually just sit here on the 15, but yeah, I don't go any lower than the 15. I was answering the dude that asked me if you were a trader, so I told him no, you were a streamer. Ah, yes. What platform do you usually track your daily P&L? Well, I'm on Top Step. It kind of does it automatically. But you can journal it as well. I use Notion Journal. I have to do it manually, which is even better because you're forced to actually sit there and assess your trades. You were going to talk about funded. Yeah, that's what I was going to say. Thank you. Yeah, with these funded accounts, man, like if you're picking some of these like newer or cheaper or dodgy funded accounts, I mean prop accounts to trade with, just know there's a high probability that they're gonna fuck you over. Like it's just to get it just what it is what it is, and you have to make a decision. Like there's so many sketchy ones now, and they can literally just do whatever. Like my 200k that got blown up because of a error within their system, they literally just said bad luck. Like I was just like fucking hell. Good to have you, Sisabda. Same thing, we trade every day, Pinky. What up, Suman? Can you tell when to open it? Yeah, I don't know, Michael. I actually don't know. Do you use Top Step? Yep, I'll be trading my Top Step account. This is my Top Step account here. Toppy. Thank you for the follows there on TikTok, you guys. So let's give TikTok a quick little glimpse of what they're missing out on over here. Let's give TikTok a quick little glimpse of what they're missing out on. So this is what's up over here, TikTok. On YouTube right now. And that's what's up. Anyone's got any analysis, drop it in the Dissi over here. We'll pull up what you guys are looking at. We'll pull up some analysis if you got anything over here. And that's what's up there. Move the green screen away, bro. On a Top Step of eval, second time around. Yep, good, bro. It's that's the way it is, right? Doesn't work out, do it again. Learn from the mistakes, do it again. Dan, I have not been utilizing your TikTok. Dan, I have not been utilizing your TikTok live because of your disabled chart screen. Well then, come over to YouTube, my duad. Believe it or not, YouTube is where you will be able to see all that. You can't just hand them a freaking packet, yo. These gurus and these prop firms are just trying to hand you a freaking packet, bro. You got to learn face to face like this on a live stream. So yeah, you guys, I've been putting together some like strategy content, right? I've got a lot of shit coming soon. Going deep into strategy specifics. Let me know what happened. What up, Elva? So if it breaks the bottom, you buy or sell. Pretty much, yep. How many trades do you take per day? Average? 0, 1, or 2. That's it. It's 0, 1, or 2. Any more than that, you can't seem to get in. You just have to copy the link and paste it into your browser, Raymond. Any more than that, you put yourself in a danger zone of either giving back your profits. And if you do give back your profits unnecessarily, then you risk going into a tilt mindset, which is like emotional like you lose emotional control to a degree, and then you revenge trade, and it's just a spiral of doom that basically kills every trader. You guys realize that traders don't give up just by like, oh, today just wasn't my day. They give up because they just go, they can't control their emotions. They blow up accounts and then just be like, oh, fuck, man, I'm done. You know what I mean? Just London, John. Just London. Can you explain why support is so high and not at the lower wick? Good question. So when you're marking out your support level, so we can identify that the support level is put there because of this, right? Because of these two candles that are printed and closed side by side right here. Now, when you're placing your support level, you have two options. You have three options, sorry. You can put it at the bottom of the candle closures. You can put it at the bottom of the wicks, or you can put it somewhere in between, but closer to the candle closures. And that's where I put my support level, when it's close to the candle closures, but not at them, just down a bit. Like there's like a mid-range, and you'll start to get a pulse on where that spot is, because now at this point, all I need is a candle to break past this level and close, and I'm in, bro, right? But if I had it all the way down here, it's not as strong. Like it's just not it. You'll notice just by watching price where you get the reactions, it's typically just below the candle bodies or above them if you're on the upside. I heard all times trading is about psychology. What does that mean, sir? It means what I just spoke about then. When you're on the charts, you're in a heightened emotional state because there's something very real on the line. And it also goes against a lot of human instinct, believe it or not. Fight or flight is constantly being triggered unless you like learn to bring it down and you can start to get immune to it. But yeah, it's quite a deep one. You could speak about that for a long time. How long is the stream? Until we win. Nah, just, I don't know, 2 hours tops. Hour and a half, probably. Best Sunday today. As a beginner, they're mostly doing the theory. Ah, beautiful, Chris. That's good to hear. Yeah, you guys, on Sunday, we did one of these webinars in the Discord there. Very specific stuff we went into. Because funded's cheaper. Why don't you show your monitor? I do. If you read where it says right here on TikTok, look where I'm pointing. That's where you'll see it. There's policies on TikTok, unfortunately. How many losses can you take in a max in a day and your first trade to win a loss? What do you do? Yes, if 2 losses, then I'm done for the day. 2 and I'm out. All right? 2 and I'm done. And even the same thing with I get 2 wins, I'm done. All right. Sound is very low. Can you turn the mic up? Is it? Check. I did have issues with the mic, so I wonder if that's true. No, it's not at all. You're tripping out. Damn it! I got fucking baited. Your strap works, mate. Just hit my beautiful notification. Incredible. Can you please talk more on why traders shouldn't idolize their passing their challenge? I've seen your video on the certification. I was planning to do it. The reason for that is everything in trading is about keeping your emotions at like a steady level, right? You never want to put yourself in a position where you can heighten your emotions either way, super high or super low. And also it puts a false expectation in your mind because you think it's going to be such a big difference when you first pass a challenge that when you do and you realize it's no different, you still have to show up tomorrow and you're probably just going to blow the account or whatever it is. I don't know. I think it can hurt you more than it can help you. Because you've got to realize, yes, getting funded's great and all, but you've still got to show up tomorrow. And if you do blow your account, which is a high probability, it can hurt you even more because you thought so much about the idea of passing it. And also, by the time you get there, you shouldn't even be in that state. You should be like, of course I passed it, right? Like I'm just about I'm $230 away from passing this challenge. And I'm just like, yeah, of course. If this was 6 months ago, I'd be like, oh my God, this is the best thing ever. Right now, I'm literally feel nothing. I'm like, yeah, of course I would pass it. Like, it's just, you've been all over my For You page and been the most useful creator I've watched. Keep it up. I love that. Man, wait, so check this out. I love hearing that because, man, my TikTok and like just social media has been blowing up, man. It's crazy. But, like I went out into town on the weekend, had a few drinks, and I had people, like a couple of people actually came up to me like, oh, Dan Holmes from the trading stream and shit. I was like, wow, people actually fucking know shit. It's crazy. What up, Luke? Dope, Kyla. Good to hear. Your mic is fine, yeah. Last Sunday was helpful. Beautiful. Good to hear. So basically adds pressure by getting emotionally attached. Yeah, it just adds a bit of pressure. And you should be at a point by the time you're passing it where you're like, yeah, of course I did. Like, why would I put in a fucking frame? Of course I'm going to pass. I'm him type beat. You know what I mean? What up, Carolina? Carlos? Oh, nice, nice. Rocky. I don't have a dollar amount, Olivia. I have a I know I risk a certain amount per trade, and then I have like 2 L's and I'm done. It depends, Lucas. I'm doing futures, so it'd be like 15 micros, 20 sometimes, 10. So something that we could be interested in is if this does develop something, man, I got so much to teach you guys. I've been going into depth in terms of strategy, but I wish you guys really knew this shit is like what I'm saying. I think, but anyway, we could get some sort of shit rejecting off this and maybe have a look at something. What up, Carl? Is it a good mindset to have if I feel like Top Step is being like, if I feel Top Step being a learning website? Yes, spending. Yeah, I don't like, you're gonna fail them, but don't go for that cheapest one. And yeah, doing like a cheap funded account is a good way to learn. Ayemga. What up, what up, what up? Thank you for the follows there on TikTok, you guys. Alejandro. What made you pick gold? It's just a very volatile pair, and I did try a bunch of other pairs over time, and I think I got burnt out doing all this different shit. And when I finally came back to gold, I was like, yeah, why did I ever leave you? You know what I mean? It's like if you have if you've ever been in a relationship for a while and, you know, you used to have mad sex and then you don't see your ex for ages, then you see it, you're like, God damn, God, how good this was. Why did I ever leave you? But by that point, it's just too late. It's too late to apologize. Oh, you dope there on the Sunday as well. Cool, cool. Thank you for the gift there, Simba. Simba, look up to the stars. I want a 2-year relationship with gold, knowing that I'll get married to her eventually. I think you will, man, if you can just stick with her. She's feisty, but she'll marry you. I think she'll marry you. Yeah, the strategy works on all pairs. It's price action, so it's essentially just means reading what the market's doing and the clues that it's leaving, and all markets leave the same clues. Like there's only so many fucking clues that a candle can leave, right? It's just a box with a line, right? Like who would ever think that, right? Just like a couple of fucking boxes with 2 colors and a line could leave such clues that we get to capitalize on to the degree that we do, which is amazing. Which is fucking amazing. Do you speak Vietnamese? Ooh. Gold. Gold, very volatile. Many blown accounts. So yes, does that answer your question? What's the difference between your and Raja's strategy? I'm not sure. I know Raja does breakout strategies and things like that. It'd just be nuances in the way that we look at the market and just the overall you know, it's a religion, right? So my religion I believe in is a bit different to his. My God's a little bit different to his. Soul will go up, question mark. Today's a bank holiday. That's okay. People like are scared of that, but we've had like hundreds of pips today move already. There's a lot of volatility. Money vlogs. I love you, bro. I love you more. I love you more. Zeke, what up, bruz? Get that fucking invite, son. Oh shit. Oh poopy. Blew my funded thinking I could trade minis instead of micros. Not. Lesson learned. And that's it. Okay, there you just learned a lesson. Jot that down. All right, I won't do that tomorrow. And this is how you just consistently get better. Just make, okay, I did this bad. This happened. Don't do that again. And you just keep stacking keep stacking that. Keep stacking lessons. People, like, it sounds so simple, but people don't do that, especially traders. Because they don't do that in their real life. Like, when do most people look in the mirror and be like, ah, oh, God damn it, that was a dumb thing. I won't do that again. Probably never. They're just like, ah, oh, don't think about it. Just avoid the pain. Same with trading, bro. That's why journaling is so important. Because if you can write down, oh, this is what I did wrong in this trade, took the L, and it sucks while you're doing it because you have to face the pain, but it's going to help you, man. It's going to help you. It's either that or you just show up the next day and just be a retard and hope that something changes when it won't. It won't. You have to change it. Tonight will be the night that I will fall for Mikey. Ever again. Don't make me blow my account. Bro's back online. Bro has been broing since bro. What up? Looks like this candle's closing over here in 4.5 minutes. I'm interested to some regard, and I'll tell you what I'm looking at. No, I'm looking more at buys, but we'll see. I'm buy. I'm looking at a... Oh, okay, this is a 30-minute closure as well. Okay, this is interesting. What's your day job, bro? Business development manager for a gas company. I develop and manage the business growth throughout the state. So journaling all your trades is a healthy way of trading. Journaling all your trades is crucial in your early... It's crucial, period. One, you're going to collect data. You're going to know what days you're the most successful, what's set up, and what this and that. Like, it's got to be done, my dude. But the most important thing is it makes you face the pain. Why did I be dumb there? What did I do wrong? How can I not do that tomorrow? Did you go to uni? No, I was a retard my whole life, pretty much, to be honest. You're an angel. You have no idea how much you have helped me. Oh, money vlogs. That's really good to hear, man. That's really good to hear, bro. Bro thinks he's him. Bro thinks bro. Bro thinks he's him coming into someone else's bro thing saying bro, like bro, get a life, bro. Bro's insecure. That's what that is. Sales, basically. Yeah, I've always done sales, right? Because I've always been a retard and gone, well, I don't have any qualifications. I haven't got this, I haven't got that. But I am a hard worker, and I know whatever I decide to do, I'm going to go all in and I'm going to get good at. And I'm like, well, how can I make money and that doesn't require you to have qualifications? So I'm like, well, sales. So I've always been in some sort of sales role. Yeah. What up, Dave? Incredible. Why can't I join your Discord? If you can't, you have to copy the link and paste it into your browser. Well, ask yourself this, Jav. Jav 11. Look at today's volume. We've moved up hundreds and hundreds of pips. There's volume, my dude. There is definitely volume. No, yeah, I'm still about 200 away over here, Mikey. Yep, still about 200 away. Make sure you guys on YouTube drop a sub. You guys will be live on YouTube every day. Drop a like for the stream, gang. But that's like one of my favorite things about trading is like, bro, trading doesn't give a fuck where you come from, what family you grew up with, what hood you grew up in, how much shit you've ever done, if you're in debt, if you're freaking, you know, you could be a cannibal, and trading, these charts don't give a shit. All they care about is, are you disciplined enough to play the game for a long term? And if you can do it, you'll get rewarded, man. You'll get rewarded. How much you making your roll, Dan? I'm a junior business consultant for Optus. I'm just trying to think if that would be correlated though. Because a business, yeah, I guess a business consultant, your next position would probably be a BDM and then some sort of account management role and things like that. Yeah, you're on the right path. Look, the best thing is you got your base pay and then you get your commissions, and then you also get the freedom. Like I work from home, right? There's no office type beat. So it's kind of like, you can work on your own terms, but with that, you have to be a self-disciplined person. Otherwise you're just gonna be lazy and you won't get shit done. So it's pretty good. It's good. It is good pay. I'm very lucky. I got a good company and everything's good. Everything's good. So we've got 40 seconds for this candle to close. I'm liking the idea of some sort of bounce off here, to be brutally honest. Can we trade live with you? Well, you're on TikTok. You have to come over to the YouTube stream if you wanna say what up. I'm live on YouTube right now. Where did you learn to trade? Just Google. I did go around the world and buy every bullshit course and stuff like that, but I started on Google, started learning the game, and then from there. Dan, I have a good feeling you're going to pass it today. Just, you know, I can't think like that. I have to be like, bro, if I don't pass today, or if I take an L today, it's fine. Like I've come into today's session going, I'm going to take 2 L's today, and that's totally fine if that happens. Oh, look at this. So we kind of broke through here. We kind of broke through here. That's a 30-minute closure. I'm interested. Can I ask what happened with Carolina, bro? I guess it just didn't work. It wasn't meant to be. Weird circumstances in which the relationship developed, and yeah, it just wasn't meant to be. Okay, so my only reservation is the fact that the 1 hour close is extremely bullish. The previous 1 hour close really bullish, but if this were to push down from here, that means the 4 hour would be flipping red. The 30-minute is looking like that. Okay, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I am pretty interested. If this can push down, create a bit of a bottom wick, and then push back up, and then when it pushes down again, I'll enter. I need it to tap a couple times. I'm going to let it breathe around here because it is a very high rejection zone, as you guys can see. So I will let it breathe and flip red a couple times, and just, this is a good thing, you guys, and I've learned this over experiences. Don't take it on the first flip. Like, let it breathe a little bit, right? When you're taking breakouts trades, you can kind of get a pulse in the market a little bit. And especially the fact that it hasn't even created a bottom wick yet. So I'm going to need it to create a bottom wick first. And that's that. Over again. Do you know how my luxury designer... What? Do you know how... What up, Dilawa? What is up, my brethren? Just doing the goddamn thing, right? Hello, I'm trying to let you know I was messaging you privately. I wanted to talk to you about something. Yeah, I wouldn't answer that. There's nothing that you can talk to me about privately that we can't talk about here that's going to make any difference in your life whatsoever. So I would just say type it here. Because people always say that to me like really frantically in the DMs. Like I've got hundreds, but I don't know what's going on my social media lately, but it's just going insane. And there's hundreds of messages. And they're real frantic. And I'm like, fuck man, I really want to help this person. But then I realize every time I do, it's just shit that they could have Googled. So I'm like, I can't keep doing it, bro. Oh, wow, look at that. Yeah, so I need it to flip back a little bit here. And we could miss it, and that's just life. That's just life. If it doesn't. I would never have taken that. I would need it to... I already told you guys what I needed it to do. But it's not over yet. It can come back. We'll see. There's someone intimidating. Yeah, I know there's millions, bro. There's a lot. I'm highly sussing this move, mate. Yeah, look, I would love it to flip back here now, and I'll be interested. Do you keep in contact with anyone from MAF still? No. No. It takes years to build a friendship, bro. Like, all these people that pretend that they're friends from MAFs and shit, it's like, it's not real. Like, it takes years. A friendship's basically a relationship. You have to be in different circumstances and all the shit, whatever. Wow. Okay. Well, you guys can see the general thesis for that trade, right? And this is typically what happens with these type of entries is like you get that volume. But it can still flip back here, so let's just be patient. Nice, Chris. Dope. Is Exodus good? Yeah, I think I've heard good things about Exodus. Can you explain why you look for a bottom wick? Because especially at high rejection areas after a breakout, there's going to be like a level of tendency to like, should we go type beat? And it's like, you want to let it breathe a little bit. You do want to let it breathe a little bit because it could push down just a little bit and then reject back. And it's just kind of stacking things in your favor a little bit more, right? Because if this rejects back now, it'll be a perfect example as to why I needed to wait for that, because it could reject back now and just keep pushing green, right? And that'll be a perfect example of why I was saying that. The website that I backtest is called MT5 Simulator. It's great software. Dan, I have a business plan, want to see. I'm scared. So yeah, we could totally miss this, and that's totally fine. I have to stick to the rules over here. The rules are what keep you alive in the game. And even if it does drop, bro, there's opportunity after opportunity. Every candle that closes, it's like, oh, well, there's another opportunity. Like, it's not over until it's over. It's not over until it... Oh. But you can see the strat, just like basic breakout and retest strategy. Like, that's where you'll catch that volume, man. Perfect example right there. Hi, Daniel. Got a message from him? Yeah, there's a lot of them. Are you an Aries? No, I'm a god. I'm a Capricorn. I had already entered a short on this based on mine. Oh, okay, excellent. Nice. You're in a good trade then. Loki Dan's crying inside. No, absolutely not. I'm completely neutral right now. Because guess what? This happens to me all the time. And the reason why I don't feel anything is because this keeps me alive. This shit keeps me alive. Yes, today it left, but over 1,000 trades, this keeps me alive. So I'm fucking chilling, my dude. And the other great thing is I've learned over time that if I just hang out, another setup arises like quick as fuck. Like, it's sweet. Do you reckon you can make good profits on with... Yeah, for sure. Very strong move here. Make sure you guys drop a like there for the stream, you guys on YouTube. Live every day, gang. I can't be live if you guys don't drop likes. I'll have to shut my entire account down for the shame. Wow, big move over here. Big move over here. Wow, look at this move. Yeah, like, it's a beautiful trade, and like, you know, there would be breakout traders that probably did catch that, but I know with my rules, I just have to, yeah, I've just got to wait for a couple of things, and sometimes this happens, and most of the time it will keep you alive, though. Love to hear that trading should be emotional. Yeah, it's all good. Pip City over here. Bro, I have a sort of stupid question. There's no such thing as a stupid question unless it's, are you you? Is that a green screen? Fucking all the dumb shit that people say. Then there is. Okay, well, I'm 21. I've been doing solely crypto trading for 5 months now. I've made almost, and then you didn't say anything else after that. Nice. Open in the green screen. Hey, bro. What up, Nate? Can you repeat the rule that kept you out of this trade? Yep. Just typically when you get a breakout trade, if it breaks above this level here, right? Got a wick like that. I'm like, cool, now I just need a wick down on the next candle and then it to flip up. But if it has no top wick at this point, like that, there's no top wick, I'll let it flip up, then flip back down, because that flip back down is then going to be the top wick. So it's going to have a bit of a wick then, and then I'll have a buy stop sitting there. But if it has no wick on that breakout, I need to at least let it create a bit of range there first. Depending on the circumstance, if it's very clean, it's all circumstantial, but in this case, I had to because it was a high rejection zone. It was a high rejection zone. So look at this, 1 hour is just completely faked out all the way back down. Yeah, I liked this on the 30 a lot. What do you think about trading Mondays? I used to think shit that it's not, but it's totally fine. Do I pay for a course to get better at reading charts? No, if you want to just get better at reading charts, just Google it and YouTube it and shit. A course is more in relation to a specific strategy. Green screen, green screen. Hey. I love you, daddy. No, I'm not a daddy. I'm not. I don't have children. Should I let go of school and focus on Forex only? Without a shadow of a doubt, absolutely not. That would be probably the worst thing you could ever do. Because one, it's going to take you way longer than you think it's going to take to get good at trading. And two, it's not even guaranteed. You have to be a specific type of person. Like trading isn't for everyone, man. Like most of you guys here, it's probably not for you, man. I'm going to be brutally honest. You know what I mean? And yeah, go listen to what Knight says there in the chat. Appreciate you, bro. Yeah, I'm going to be brutally honest with you guys. You have to be a certain kind of crazy to be a trader, I believe. And it's not for everyone. Yeah. What, you know, I could go into depth, but it is what it is. Okay, it looks like some of you guys caught this sell over here. Nice. Big wick over here now. Wick Nation. Well, Bitcoin. Let's have a look. I haven't looked at Bitcoin fucking for ages. Is it still just in the same range? Yep. Wow. Bitcoin's just been so lame. Just want to like poke it, like move. Yep, I can see potential over here. Let's be patient. Hey mate, you up? I'm always up. I am always up, even when I'm down. Funny you say that because I'm a schizophrenic with obsessive with trading. Schizophrenic and obsessed with trading. Yeah, you kind of have to be like that. That's good. That's good. It's a blessing for some of us. Absolutely. I've been trading for 2 years and I just started to make profit. First challenge up to 6 months, lost straight away. Yeah, it took me 2 years to even like to get my shit together and get over the shitty habits. I mean, what do you think about Nas? No, nothing. I don't watch Nas at all. Just gold, purely gold. Look at this. Frank took me 5 years. Yep. But because of the narrative on TikTok and shit, like these stupid kids like Lambo fake lifestyle, they fool all these other people into thinking shit. Do you have a video with your requirements to open a position? Sort of. I'm working on a lot of like specific content in relation to strategy, to be honest. How come you put sells below but didn't follow through? If you were watching the stream at that point, you would know. Fake lifestyle, agreed. I lost about 14. Wow. Yeah, you got to be careful, man. You got to be careful with who you're following. I think maybe that's why because my social medias are going crazy in relation to trading, right, at the moment. And, whoa, I think people respect the reality. Like, I never say, oh, trading can't be, like, really great. But I definitely won't push a fake narrative. If this next candle flips green, I might be interested. We'll still probably make some dumb mistakes as part of it. I like that you said that, Chris, because yeah, you 100% will. And that's just it, right? But as long as you just keep getting better, that's all you can do. Fish update. The fuck does that mean? Fish update? Question mark. Does it look like we're fishing, bro? Fish update. Question mark. Like, I'm an idiot for not giving you an update on the fish. Excited for the new content? Yeah, it's gonna be amazing. No, Sean, Google will 100% be able to explain that way better. It's essentially just a markup that the broker give you. The difference between the buy and the ask. What broker is good? I don't even know. I just use props. Yep, that's exactly what it is. Bro, have you tried hosting a meet and greet in Brisbane? I'm going to start G'ing it up soon. I'm actually going to G it up very soon. So if you're in the Discord, you'll know about it. Because I think we've got a lot of local traders now as well. What up, James? Good to have you, brethren. Then if you had to follow one strategy for the rest of your life, what would it be? Exactly what we're doing right here, which is simple price action. Just reading candlesticks and the clues that they leave around key areas. Yep, to start, Alex, absolutely. Yep. So I'd love to see a bottom wick on this candle here and then a flip green, potentially. Keep at it, Perry. Keep at it, my brother. What does it look like on futures? Nice. It looks actually pretty identical, which is good. So put it this way, let's wait for this candle to close. If this candle can close back in this range, I'll look at taking a buy as some sort of fake out trade here. I don't like that this doesn't have a bottom wick. I will say that, but we'll see. You guys on TikTok that are asking specific things about the trading, like I'm live on YouTube right now. You can see all that shit. The text of where it is literally on the screen you're looking at. Whatever, Amit, what up, my dude? But yeah, this is a beautiful thing about trading. We can just hang out for a second, then another setup arises. Like, it's like, and that's used to get me all the time. I think I'd miss a trade and be like, oh, God damn it. John, I knew you were going to fucking say that. But the reason, John, I thought in my head, as I said it, I remember I had this conversation with John. The difference between this, John, and a normal fake out that I used to take fake outs like this, John, where it was 2 candle closures like that, right? This isn't necessarily that. This is actually showing me weakening and then pushing back up. I used to take fake outs where it would be like 2 strong candle closures and then it would reject straight back up and close, where this is kind of rejected properly. I'm going to block you, Mo. That's just annoying, bro. There are about 5 or 10 Daniels watching the live. Yeah, there's like a fucking whole group of fake me's just chilling. I would go with the giraffe strategy for the rest of my life. Yeah, you might be onto something there. The famous giraffe strategy has changed lives around the globe. Yeah, I'm not mad at this. What's a giraffe trade? We'll go through it one day. How much you need to start trading? None. You start by learning. Yep. Think about it like this. We get paid to wait. We don't get paid by jumping in every trade humanly possible. We get paid to wait. If we just sit here and wait for ideal setups, 1, your psychology is going to be so much fucking better. 2, it's just it, right? You fry your psychology because you just frothing at the dick to jump in every single trade. And then you lose one, you're like, oh, I want to get it back, and you take another shit, and it's just a terrible cycle. Look outside, man, it's like purple. That's so true, bro. Yeah, man. YouTube, you can view the chart. Yeah, exactly. What's the significance of a wick? It just indicates that price has been there and it's shown that it didn't want to be there. It rejected off kind of thing. It's more of like an experience thing. You'll start to pick up on small things about like where you'd like to see wicks and things like that. Almost like, I can't say that G word, but almost like that when you go on the roller coaster and wanting to win it back. Absolutely. Very much so. Yep. And it takes time and effort to get over that it's a natural human emotion. You want to take back control after a loss. Were you trading on maths? No, I wasn't. Nope, I wasn't. Nah. I wish I was, but I wasn't, unfortunately. Sup, Goat? Had a job interview. Anything missed? Ah, nice. Yeah, we called out a good sell here. I had to stand it down because it just wasn't, there was a one box that wasn't ticked. And now we're waiting for a potential opportunity over here. Yeah, for sure, John. I'm honestly, if like this candle closes how it is now, the next one wicks down, I'll be taking a buy. Money vlogs. Yep, we'll be doing it for sure. Definitely be doing it over the next month or two. You'll hear about it. I'll spam it soon. That has been my great advice. It's been my biggest habit. Yep. And that's everyone, bro. That's what kills every trader. Revenge trading, dumb trading, over trading, over leveraging. It's all the same shit. It's not like, guys, if you think about the statistics and you come into trading like, man, I really want to be one of the people that succeed. What am I going to have to do? It's not what you have to do. It's what you don't have to do. Look at what all the people that fail at trading do. It's always the same shit. Revenge trade, over leverage, and are unable to reflect on their mistakes. It's that simple. Let's have a look over here. Is this in 1 hour closure? Yeah, it is. I'll tell you what I might also be interested in. If this were to do something over here. What up, Abby? FG fee forming? I don't know, bro. I don't know that stuff. Yep. Your rule of the bottom week is something I forgot to practice. And it's these small nuances that keep you alive in the game, man. And that's why it's good with live streaming. Like, you wouldn't know that. If you watched, like, somebody's strategy and be like, oh, he just takes a breakout after a fucking... He takes a trade after a breakout. That's just what you got to do. And it's like, no. There's small nuances that you can't really just type and tell somebody. You got to actually watch it live or do an in-depth course on it. Nuances are what make the difference. And then it's just experience and intuition. And discipline to not be a retard when you're in the trade. That top wick sus, yeah. Well, it's not over until it's over, right? We'll see how this candle closes. We'll see how this banger. I tried to start. Apparently, there's this new streaming service called Party. I tried to stream on it tonight with this one. Because it looks like it's new, no one's on there, and they have a crypto section, but it's such a bad website that my thing just kept crashing. So I was like, well, there goes that. What up, real estate? I'm amazing. I want this forever. Oh, wow, the bridge light isn't on for the first time ever. I've never seen the bridge light not on. Wow, that's fucking weird. Maybe that means we're going to hit full margin. I mean, full... Maybe that means something good's going to happen. What a tune that is, Dan. Right, that shit's fucking a banger, eh? Are you trading? Yep. If you come over to YouTube, you'll see everything, including schlongs. Most time I've been trading, I've been stressing, bro. You do realize what that is, though, brother, is like, most time I take a trade, I'll be stressing. The reason for that is you're just not... One, and I'm not saying this to be a dick, I'm just being straight up. One, there's a strategy, you haven't been using the same strategy long enough. And two, there's just not enough data there and experience executing that particular play. Because if you've done the same thing over and over again, that you don't really stress. You're like, well, I know this is my setup. If it works out, it works out. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I know over 1,000 trades it does, so that's all good. Yep. No, not because of time zones, Chris. It's just because I just stick to the one session. 2 hours and I'm done. Preserving that mental capital, my dude. Wow, look at this on the 30-minute over here. Yeah, I like this for a buy if it can close similar like this. I really like this for a buy if it can close like this. What's the 4 hour look like? Yep, I like this for a buy if it can close like this. Came here for Schlong. Nice. That's what's up, my dude. Oh, that's good as. I hope you passed this challenge this week. Thank you. Let's see the green screen. Brother, there's no green screen, but there is a fucking screen, but the fucking bridge light isn't on, and that's sad. What's your nationality? Alien. It's hard being a human, being an alien. Who knows that song? It's... Being a human. Being a human. Have you ever scrolled on like YouTube and you see like these super autistic like people like, I'm autistic, I can say it, super autistic people like doing like songs, but they're really bad. But they, anyway, you play it so much because it's so bad that it ends up getting stuck in your head. So that's one of those songs. Is it just me or are you live on YouTube or is it like, bro? It's hard being a human, being an alien. What planet you stream? Oh man. I'm Macedonian actually. I guess I'm more Macedonian than anything. My mum's side is purebred Macedonian. My dad's side's just whatever. Fucking rat or something. Macedonian, half Macedonian, half rat. Perry. What up, Ruth? We have a beautiful community here, bro. We have a fucking amazing community here. The Discord as well. It's just like, yeah, it's really good, man. Wait, does my mic actually does not work when I put the thing up to it, does it? Yeah, I have some sort of setting on there. That's annoying. Half Macedonian, half rat. Hi, this is the first time you live stream. What strategy you use? Ah, good to have you here. We use the autistic strategy. Yep, exactly. We use... I'll show you in a minute. Price action. That's all. It's hard being a human. Being an alien. Classic. Nice. I like that for the 1 hour. Yeah, this could be juicy. This could be juicy. And this is what used to, like, I'm telling you guys, this was like a big game changer for me where I would miss a move and I'd be like, oh man, then I would start getting impatient and like really wanting to take a trade, and I'll just take some impulsive shitty trade because I thought I missed the move. And it's like, hey, if I just hang out, another setup will literally just arise. So just be patient, bitch. So all I need now is a bottom wick. I like that it's potentially creating a top wick now. If it can retest this range down here, I'm interested in a buy. I'm interested in turning buy if this can happen. I want to talk to you, please. You're literally talking to me and you just wasted the potential opportunity to do that conversation. Now, if I see you say something, I'm probably not going to answer out of anger. Daniel, how are you so majestic? I'm not. I'm definitely not. I'm just a rat. I'm a little rat scurrying through the streets. We can't see your chart. Bro. If you read the screen. I'll say in David Attenborough's voice. Scientists have developed a thing called YouTube. Let's have a look over here. Come on. So it's a new 1 hour candle, you guys. So allow this to breathe a little bit, because the new 1 hour candle will fluctuate a little bit. So let the 1 hour breathe a little bit, and that would be a good idea. It's hard being a human. I'm from Arcturus. Chris Brown. Too many. What? This might be a sell, bro. Not for what. The way I'm looking at it is I'm interested in a buy. I'm going to take away this because it's going to confuse people now. What are you trading? My life away for the charts. Aliens. Daniel Holmes, if the current candle breaks a high in the 1 hour, if the current candle breaks a high of the last 1 hour creating the bottom wick, would you not consider that a buy? I don't trust candles that don't create. We know that candles 93% of the time create a wick on both ends. I need to wait for a wick. If it pushes past up above the next candle to the left-hand side, this candle right here, there's a high probability that it's going to move up to this level. And again, I just have to wave goodbye because there's specific set of rules that I have to wait for. And until I see them, I just have to stand down. That's all. So if this does leave without me, is what it is. I can't take a trade without a candle creating a wick. That's all. It's hard being a human, being an alien. That's all. And some days you just have that, and you have to already come into these setups with that mindset of like, if this does this and I miss it, then it's fine. Because otherwise you're going to start getting FOMO and being a little bitch about it, and then you're going to start taking shitty trades. So I already I'm like, man, this is what I need to see. If it doesn't happen, all good. That's perfectly fine. There's nothing I can do about it. If I've got time, I'll wait around for another setup. Trading is mambling with the market. You can treat it like that. You can definitely treat it like that. You can definitely treat it like that, but to say it is that is not accurate. That's not true. We actually have edge and things that we can actually tilt it into our favor, which is what is so great about this. This is Forex. Waiting for a lobby of the hospital. Wow, is the Canadian health system really bad or something? Massive thanks from Simba, Australia. Oh, nice, Michael. Good to have you here, brother. Yep, because if I'm taking a trade based on it breaking back into a range where I had this line here saying if it breaks below that, there's a high probability of a continuation, which it did. And then it rejected and broke back up into that range. So then when it does that, I say, okay, the new candle opens up, needs to tap the bottom end of this range to show me it doesn't want to go back down. Because remember what happened last time? It dropped down aggressively. So I need to see that if it tests going down again, that it doesn't want to by leaving a wick. Then I'll go, okay, excellent. That's enough confirmation for me. Now I'm going to take a buy right there. But what happened? It opened up, didn't even bother, and just said, see ya. So the cool thing about this is, it's not over yet, so let's just be patient over here. Daniel Light FX. Bro! What time frame you trade? All of them, except the 5 minute or the 1 minute. I'm on YouTube right now doing all this shit. Wow, look at this, 400 people over here on YouTube. Incredible. Make sure you guys drop a sub and a like. Smash your phone. Smash the subscribe button. Smash your phone to pieces and hit that subscribe button. Oh, you're on YouTube too? Okay, sweet. It's hard being an alien. The previous one kind of was... The previous 1 hour candle from the London Open candle, and you consider it London Open, then created a good wick at the bottom, moved up, and then the 2 hour... I'm not looking at 2 hour time frame, Mohammed. If you're a trader, if you're a trader, you must be an alien. You don't even... Very cautious about little no wicks. Yeah, the wicks tell us a story. They help stack confluence into the potential idea that we have. Like without the wick, it's really this simple, you guys. If it starts moving up and I go, okay, I'm going to take a buy there, even though it hasn't created a bottom wick, you got to ask yourself, if we're playing a game of probabilities and we know that 95% of candles create, probably 97 create a top and a bottom wick always, then I have to ask myself, as it's moving up and I'm in profits and I go, oh, fuck, what's the probability that this is the 7% can or the 5% candle that isn't going to create a bottom wick yet, right? So if my stop loss is sitting there under that range and I'm going, oh, fuck it, there's still a really, really high probability it needs to create a bottom wick, then there's a high probability I'm going to get tagged out. Does that make sense? Alex, come over to YouTube and you'll see. I don't watch GBP, JPY, so I'm not sure, brother. Just came from TikTok. Oh, nice. Sick. Good to have you here. Smash that fucking subscribe button. Make sure you guys completely smash your computer to pieces and hit that, and make sure the subscribe button gets smashed in the process. It's hard being a human being. It's hard being a human, being an alien. The only way to... If it wasn't for this stream, I would have slept through London. Thank you, Data, for regenerating my energy. Bro, we can't leave London. Just over from TikTok. Oh, Justin, dope. Good to have you here, brother. Good to have you here. How do I join your YouTube live? Bro! Anyway, let's have a look over here. Yeah, shame that it didn't create that week, but it's not over till it's over. What's the time? Hour into the session, so I'll hang out here for a bit. Let's see. 4 hours, got 50 minutes left. Oops. So what I do in this case right now, I'll wait a couple of minutes, but then I'm going to move my support level down to here. But I will need to wait. I'll wait till this candle closes. The mic just disappointed me. How? What did my mic ever do to you? I fucked up 7 cry faces. I just took a trade and it went 150 and the daily target is to 100, but I didn't close. I wanted to hold more. Okay, this is a good opportunity. Now you get to realize that, hey, maybe I have an issue with being greedy. I hold when I shouldn't be. And that's maybe tomorrow when you come in and be like, okay, I'm in decent profit. Let me cut it here. I'm done. And slowly work on those things. This is trading literally will give you all the answers. It's just whether you want to fucking do it or not. Oh, thank you, Lazy. Good to have you here. Smash the like button and destroy your television screen and smash the subscribe button. Weird watching you on both. You guys, yeah. If we really want to be accurate with these charts, we can always end up pulling out the astrology setup where the candle perfectly aligns with your star sign and the moons, the full moons. I just heard being an alien, being a human so bad. It's a good song. Oh, you know it? Yes, somebody knows it. It's hard being an alien, being a human. So bad, but so good. It's so good because it's so bad. It's my bedtime, but you're interesting to watch. Oh, you're interesting to watch when you're asleep. Oh, look at this. Somebody over here on TikTok said they said grub. Wow, that's crazy. I'm literally a little slug in the ground. Brother, I've already subscribed, just spreading the love. Yeah, I know you've subscribed, Lazy. I'm just making sure the other people smash the button. Headbutt, right hooks, uppercut, curb stomp, the sub button. Literally. I love the astrology indicator. Bro, I think there actually is. Oh, astrology planetary channel lines. Where are they? Where are the planets? Oh, look, here they are. I can see lines of some sort. This is the planetary strategy. Hilarious. How do I delete this bullshit? Oh no, we've got the fucking planetary strategy indicator stuck here now. Oh well, I guess we're gonna do it. So it was you that escaped Area 51. Yeah, look. Is it possible to grow a $50 account? Anything's possible, but you're probably just gonna not do it. You're probably not gonna do it. Because if you want to flip a $50 account, it means that you're struggling financially, and it's a bad way to come into the markets, is be like, this has to take, come on, I need this type. Like when you've got that mindset, you're done for. How can I flip 100 to 1,000? Go to, not the charts, there's somewhere else, I can't say the word out loud, but that place where you go to do dumb shit like that. It's the Candy Mountain. Wait, what's the Candy Mountain? I lost 3% of my accounts severally, but I started implementing risk. That's all right. Just call today a bad day. Maybe you got on a bit of tilt. It wasn't a good day. Learn from it and come back tomorrow. Mars and Venus Mars and Venus lined up by now. That's fucked. Oh, I am joking. Unfortunately, astrology and trading, they just, yeah, they don't do anything. Financial astrology trend line. What does it look like on futures? Yeah. So I'm going to exercise a bit more patience over here. See if we can, I'm going to move my support level to here now. Because look, this is the new support level. We've got a red and green candle here now, you guys. Printed side by side. So that's now the new support level. So as the market starts to develop, your areas of interest start to change. Why don't you show your charts on TT? Yeah, no, not in Australia, but I've had issues a lot. They always take me down on TikTok. So I have to adjust accordingly. How long to become master trader? Probably longer than you think. It took me 2 years to stop being a retard. So I don't know. Daniel, tell me the best emotional control to implement, please. The best emotional control you can implement in your situation is to assess it, journal it, go back over your trade, look where you entered, where you didn't, write down what you were thinking, everything about it, and then say, tomorrow when I jump into the market, I'm not going to do that again. That's it. Rare to see a handsome trader. It's actually a mask. I rip it off and I'm like, rat boy. It's a full moon tonight. Ooh, is it actually? So Debo, the bridge isn't lit up. Maturing and trading is when you see mistakes as learning as positive. Yep. I don't learn shit from my winning trades. I really don't. I'm not saying that to be that guy. I actually don't. My losing trades, I'm like, yeah. I see what I did. I see. The moon traders. Maybe that's what the community can be called, the moon traders. Is it be probable to make it without mentorship? Well, technically yes, but it's like, do you want to speed up the process or not? Like, it's really that simple. In the first 6 months, you should be learning by yourself, but you should be doing all the basic groundwork by yourself. And then after that, I think it's a good idea to reach out to someone. Do you have a strategy and then wait until you see that trend and take a trade? No, there's different things. In this case, right, that we're looking at right now, I think I'm going to be looking at a break above this level. I think that's going to be a really good idea. Over here, we've got super fucking clean range to the left-hand side if we get a break above. Check this out, you guys. Look at this range to the left-hand side. We could get something super juicy over here. So, yeah, dude. What up, Samoa? How do you trade without emotions? Well, you technically don't trade without emotions, but over time you can tend to like bring them down. You tend to like stay in a neutral state, and you can only do that by actual consciously doing it. Like when you're in a trade, you guys, next time you're in a trade, pay attention to your breathing. Like you'll be holding your breath, or you'll be like kind of like squeezing your fingers or your toes, tensing up. Like you got to start to be aware of your physiology and try to like just relax. Just be like, okay. And then over time, when you start trading the same setup constantly, win, lose, or draw, you're just like, it's cool. It's probabilities. Accent sounds like Aussie. No, I am Japanese. Orokuzoshi. No, I am Japanese. Hey, bro, is Trade of 850k good start? Yeah, I would even say cheaper than that. Go the lowest one possible. Yep, 25s be good for sure. How many pairs you trade? Just one. Trying to add you on Discord. Anyone got any analysis over here in the Discord? Oh, look at this. Okay, we're looking at some sort of bounce off here. Oh, there we go, you guys. A lot of volatility over here. All these people that are like, bank holiday. It's like, bro, there's volume, man. Don't look at that. So it faked out down here, you guys. This would have been a great trade. It's moved up 100 pips since then. But you can see why my thesis was if we break back into this range and I get that bottom wick, your boy's fucking onto it, man. So if we get that bottom wick, this would have been a great buy. But it's all good. Price, this is the whole thing with price action trading, bro. It leaves the fucking clues. It literally tells you what it's doing. It's just like, you just have to wait until it does enough of the things that is good for you to enter. Do you have a Telegram page? No, I have a Discord though. Is making 5K possible a day? No, not for you. Not for you. For people that have been in the game for a long time, yes. Yep. So just don't worry about the money. Just worry about the skill set. How can I get better at the skill set? And knowing that money is a byproduct over time. Who do you consider your mentor in trading? I look up to people like Raja, obviously. I like Nick Stewart. I look up to Nick Stewart. Probably just those two guys, to be honest. I don't do trend lines, no, sorry. Nah, not really, Luke. Nah. Don't worry about that. So we've got 40 minutes over here for the 4 hour, 1 hour's doing its thing. See what I said before as well, you guys? If it breaks past this level, it's probably going to rock it, which it did. 30 minute. Cool. So at least we're up at our next area of interest. So we might be, this is going to be my last opportunity here today. If we can get some sort of something around here. So let's just be patient, you guys. And we're just crushing the game over here. This thing's leaving us behind. No, I think we've got, well, let's see. And even if, just say something happens here, a setup arises, but there's a couple of key things that happen that keep us out of, will keep me out of the trade. Call it a day. Totally fine, bro. Totally fine. Come back tomorrow and do it all over again, because sometimes that just happens and it is what it is. Do you have a mentorship class online? No. I'm working on some content though. If you jump in the Discord, I've got a lot of shit coming, man. Apollo FX, okay. Hello, bro. Do you remember me? No, and I would remember you as well. I don't remember that name. I would remember you. Have you changed your name? Never FOMO trade, exactly. Sir, please, I want to learn how to trade, sir. I'll teach you how to trade if you say sir 7 more times. That might be the only stipulation. Will you go live ever again? I go live every day, Erica. I go live every day here on YouTube. Make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. Literally grab your phone and throw it at a brick wall, but just make sure the subscribe button gets smashed. Daniel, I personally love pairing your strategy with other complements like fair value. Ah, okay, interesting. Fair enough. Yep. What plan with the funded account from this? Huh? I'm in the 50K funded here. You can see you're up here on the top left. You know, like 230 bucks to pass this one. I want to learn how to trade from you. Well, then come over to the YouTube stream where I'm live right now and let's learn, my dude. You sound dangerous? What does that mean? Like I'm going to actually like kidnap you? It's hard being an alien, being a human. Bon, same. Come over to the YouTube or join the Discord. The Discord and the link in the bio and the bing da bung ding. All right. This is going to be a 30-minute closure as well. I've been trading for a week. Can I buy a Lambo? Yes. Haven't you seen the TikTok videos of people like that? Of course you can. It only takes like a week. Oh no, this could be bad. As I mentioned, today is the first day I'm seeing you live. I'm like, oh fuck, the first time they see me, I'm just on schizo rants flat out. But love your streaming and patience, discipline, amazing. Good stuff. Yeah, that's it, man. We'll just wait for an ideal setup. Stacy! Stacy's in the chat. Stacy's in the chat. She broke up with me last week, but now she is back. Oh, he's rapping as well. What's up, Stacy? Is this a teacup teaspoon pattern? Oh no. Please. Please, Lord. I'm getting hit with teacup setups, guys. If it's retest, like, so this is a big thing I learned as well over time is I'm not thinking too much just yet. It's still got 6 minutes. A lot can happen in 6 minutes. So let's let this candle develop a little bit more. Then we'll start thinking about some opportunities to participate. You miss me? Yes, I missed you. I have 3 of your accounts chat me with me in your name. Yeah, bro. They just want all of your details, so give it to them. What's happening, Stacey? What time is it for you? It must be fucking late. How do you feel about the Hekinashi candlesticks? Nothing. Stacey, please don't forget to smash that like button. Yeah, Stacey, make sure you smash your phone to pieces, but smash the like button to pieces. You don't care. I broke up with you. Cry face. You don't care I broke up with you, cry face. Maybe you broke up with me because you were trying to elicit a response. Right? Maybe that was the situation. Because I care. I care for all living organisms on Earth. Have you not heard Michael Jackson's song, Earth Song? That's how I feel. Jack of all trades tonight, exactly. Is this a butter knife cheese whiz bottle slice bread pattern? Yes, it is. Yeah.
That's twisted Ori.
Yep. Astrology universe pattern tasked up. Oh my god, you guys. 5 minute chart interesting? No. Fuck the 5 minute. Fuck the beat. I go a cappella. Fuck a. Oh, aren't I sorry, Stacey? I don't know what I'm saying. Can you hear that? Or is the mic muting it out? Can anyone hear that? Or is the mic muting it out? Thoughts on AI bot? Scam. Is this you trying to win me back? Stacey, you have to win me back. You actually have to win me back. Bro, how do I approach trading 1,000 account? Firstly, you better have done 6 months of serious learning. Right? I should be able to hit you with a full quiz. No muted. 400 people here. Share the live, you guys. 400 people here. We're talking about fucking spaceships, autism, and Michael Jackson songs. 3 minutes over here for this candle closure. No, we can't hear it. Fuck, that's annoying. You know what? I know how to change that, but I won't. Hey man, I've made profit trade today and urged to... Well, hey, JMO, you literally know exactly what you need to do. You need to turn off your fucking trading screen. Say today was a good day. Don't get too emotional about it. It's just a win, is what it is, and just come back tomorrow. Amazing, good stuff. Oh, the bridge turned on. Yes. Yes, that means we're going to get a trade, you guys. That's why we haven't been getting fucking trades. Okay, now we're locked in. All right. We didn't hear it. Yeah, I know, that's annoying. Okay, this is a 30-minute. It's getting closed over here. What's your opinion on copy trading? If you mean copying your own trades over to multiple accounts, it can work well, but you have to be a pretty consistent trader. What up, Ngeen? Then to stay focused, bro. Stacey like Nasdaq. Is there a spaceship pattern? Yeah, there's something. She's in love with you, bro. Stacey, is that true? Each candle tells a story. You're watching it with Daniel. The story is the aliens. Bro. You look like David Beckham. Wish I had his money. But I don't, I'm a loser. Alright, so we've got a minute and a half over this. This is going to be the 30-minute closure. Strong 30-minute closure. Tapped into that range. Gave it a little test there. You know, this candle's been a little bitch about it. So we'll see how this next one wants to start developing. We'll see how this next candle wants to develop. I'm a newbie. What up, newbie? Good to have you here. Patience. That's it. That's all we can do right now is patience. There's no clear thing just yet. I'm sitting here with you guys, so if you guys are willing just to be fucking patient over here and actually play the patient game, we get paid to wait. Young alien. Thanks for the follow, Big Daddy. Someone named Big Daddy followed me. Oh, so you could hear the Earth song, you guys, on YouTube. People were saying it was muted. You could hear it. Beautiful song. All right, Mr. Daniel, don't miss me too much. Love you, Stacy. Don't miss me too much. Don't miss me. Fuck, I'm good with girls. Fuck, I'm good with girls, man. I'm a girl guru. I'm in souls. What are you looking for, bro? Well, right now, this is our this is our two zones of interest, and we're kind of closer to the middle of the ranges right now. I have a feeling now we've created a bit of a support here. We could create a bottom wick now and move up. That would be fucking amazing. That would be fucking amazing. And I don't say the word fuck lightly. Last week lost 3k from rage trading. Yep, that's what kills everyone, brother. That's what kills every single fucking trader. So you can say to yourself, if I want to differentiate myself from the 95% of failing traders, and this is the one thing that kills them all, how am I going to stop? When am I going to say enough is enough? I'm sick of being a fucking degenerate person. What up, Kater? How many pairs do you trade? Just one. Looking at the 15-minute candle and following Raja, would you consider to take a trade if the next candle breaks the low past the 15? By the way, I've been trading and learning. Oh, okay, Stacy. Good. Good. Then I can give you those lessons, young lady. I can give you that one-on-one personal lessons. Fuck, I'm smooth. Wait, so what did you say? Would you consider to take a trade if the next candle breaks the low of the last 15-minute candle to go to support? No, Raj wouldn't do that either. No. Because the previous candle was a strong bullish candle. This is like a support level here. And if we were looking at a break, we would need like an actual candle closure below. If that candle closes below like that, and then the next one retests that level, then maybe. You didn't share your screen. Yeah, I'm sharing my screen right now, but not right there. You can see on the screen, if you read it, you'll see where it is. Because I get ignored by you. I can't help you with trading, Stace, until you spend like a good amount of time. Because I'm just going to be spitting gibberish. You won't get it. You won't understand. That's the only issue. I would love to help you. I would love you. I would love you. I would love to love you. What does your shirt say? Versace. I think you forgot I already trade low, different market. Nah, you don't. Coin trading price action day trading is two very different things. That's the only thing. That's the yeah, it's very different. How can we be friends? No. No. Oh, fuck. Sir, may I take your hand in friendship? No. Don't you mean until she understands support and resistance? Laugh face. Yeah, I wish it was that simple. There's a narrow account of you. Yeah, there's many. How many trades you take a day? 0, 1, or 2. That's it. 0, 1, or 2. Green screen shirt. Buy or sell, sir. Alien gang. Going back to sleep. Goodbye. Love you. Bye. Why are you not trading currency pairs? Because I'm trading futures. So can I buy now? Sir. Sir. Graph. Did you follow me on Instagram the other day, Graph? There was someone named Graffiti. Is your name Graffiti on Instagram? I was going to follow you back, but I was like, oh, I don't know if that's Graph. How long would it take to become a profitable trader? It took me 2 years of eating shit before I started getting my stuff together. So 2 years was like, you know, really starting to get together finally. Yep. I only trade, the start of London session and then like 2 hours into London, then I'll call it a day. You have to call it tonight. Tell us about the last trade you took. Yeah, you can see it. It was down here. Same thing we're looking at here. This was like a level of resistance. Once this candle broke past, retest here, buy stop sits there, and it moves up. Same shit. This is so simple strategy. Yep. Don't do Insta. Ah, okay, maybe it was. Yeah, look, you've got fake account. You've got fake accounts now as well. Join the club, bro. Please tell us Bitcoin chart. Okay, Bitcoin chart. I told you. Please tell us Bitcoin chart. Okay, Bitcoin chart. He's got like a fetish for hearing people say the word Bitcoin chart. I've blown accounts and practiced with demos on and off for about 2-3 years. Things are only starting to click now. Yep. Sounds about right. Yep. That's it, bro. Cloud. What up, Spartan? Gold, Brian. Gold. How long do you trade on demo? Not long. I got into a cheap prop account, a cheap funded account pretty quick. You need to feel the emotions. Yes, DJ. I think I replied to that. I seen, yeah, I was you that took that one as well. Beautiful. Very good. Yep. Resistance forming here. I don't take this into consideration as resistance because I know if I were to take a buy, like it obviously is a form of resistance, but I can't do anything with it because if I take a buy at a breakout of it, I know the next major resistance is just there. And when we're taking buys on breakouts, we need to ensure that the range to the next point of resistance is at least 30 pips, at least, right? Because the reality is once it breaks out, that's already going to be like 4 pips. And then you take your buy up there, it's going to be like 6 pips. So you need that range to be a bit decent. And this isn't a big enough range. Something I could see happening here is this kind of coming down, creating maybe some sort of wick here and then pushing up from here. In that case, I would look at taking a buy around there. right? A day to challenge 100. No, that's just scammy shit. That 100 to million thing. It's all scam central stuff. I think the hardest part about trading is waiting. Yeah, sure. I think you'll get over that, to be honest. And you guys see how I trade. I just go, okay, until price gets to there or whatever, I can't do anything. So I know like I can't do anything until it gets to these key areas, which is helpful, I think. Helps you like stay patient. Make sure you guys on YouTube smash that fucking subscribe button or I'll come for you. Yes, that is a threat. Daniel Holmes, bro, 15-minute close, bearish with long wick at top and 1 hour has no bottom wick. And you said there's a 90. Yep, that's a good point, Mohammed. That's a really good point. Good observation. That's a good observation, man. And here's the thing you'll find in trading a lot. You can be right about the direction, but it just doesn't give you a good opportunity to enter. So yes, that is a good point that you made, but now we have to go, okay, where's a logical place to enter? And I know for me, I need to wait for a particular set of candles to print in such a manner that give me like the indication that it's ready to go there now. All right. But yeah, great point, man. Beautiful. With your support and resistance strat, when you wait for a red and green on the 15-minute candle, do you switch to the 1 minute? Never look at the 1 minute, never look at the 5 minute. No, it's not, Dill. Follow you on everything. Much respect. Ah, nice, Lazy. Thank you, brother. Share the live, guys. Oh, can you share lives and shit like that on YouTube? Wow. Yeah, smash the like button. Subscribe, comment, like, send it to your friends via mail. Post it on your wall. Tell your family, tell your mum to subscribe. That's all. So I've got 4 minutes over here for this candle closure. We've got 4 minutes for this candle closure. 1 hour is leaving some sort of wick over here at the moment, but that can change very soon. Do you prefer Apex or Top Step? Bro, Top Step's 1,000 times better. Apex are fucking retards, man. They blew up to a 200k account of myself, 2 100k accounts with an error of their system, and they just did nothing about it. They said, not bad luck. Very, very unprofessional. I got footage of it and everything, and they still said, no, nothing we can do about it. Yeah, I would say Delex. If you're relatively new, man, just start, just go do everything. Do all the crazy shit. Jump on Google, try this, try that. Just get your beak wet everywhere in the initial stage. I don't know what you're saying. That my problem is what? Pete. Can you show us the screen? Yep. If you look at the text on my screen, you can see where it is. No, funded accounts aren't real money, but the money that you make on it, the profit that you make is real. So all funded accounts is just it's simulation trading, but the profits that you make is real. Well, 80% of them. I might be interested in some sort of buy. I might be interested in some sort of impulse buy, surely. Tori trades is bad. She's freaking pretty. Bro, there's so many hotter women out there in the world and you're fucking looking at this chick. Oh wow, thank you for the follows there on TikTok, you guys. Your camera is crisp. What do you use? If I told you that, I'd have to poo. Nah, it's called a ZV-E10 with a 15mm to 50mm Sigma lens. What the Sigma? Can you show us your P&L for the last 30 days? Yeah. Let's have a quick look. This candle closes in a minute over here. You can see this is where we are. This one red day here, this didn't need to happen. This should have been about 150, but I broke my own rules here, and that's why it's 6. It didn't need to be that. All right. But as you can see, a nice equity curve just continuing up in a professional manner. No like over trading, no over risking. Just moving up nicely over here. Background music chill as fuck. Ah, nice. It's good. All right, so this candle closed here. Kind of engulfed some of these things here. I think we're going to be moving up, to be brutally honest. What the Sigma? Is it true trader can buy Ferrari Lambo after 1 year of trading? 1 year? More like 1 week, bro. Who told you that bullshit? It's literally like a week or two. All right. How did you break your rules in the 600 day? I took a fucking Bitcoin position. Like, what the fuck, right? I took a Bitcoin position. And then I took a W, and then I took an L on stream. And because of the Bitcoin trade, it just like, yeah, it fucked me. It was like an unnecessarily big loss. And it's like, why am I trading Bitcoin? You know what I mean? It's like, fuck. I just got scammed by somebody thinking I was, yeah, you're fine, yeah. Oh, look at this. Somebody's promoting themselves. Join their Discord. That join their community, they said. Dude, we went over the rules last night. Yep. Each of them days it says you've taken, no. So when you take off size in a position, like if I'm taking off 50% or if I'm taking off 75%, it's gonna label it as a trade. Oh fuck! You bought the Lambo in 1 day. Damn, son. Broke a personal rule. Yeah, that's right, Reese. Yep. I just brought up my P&L there, and I said on one of these days where I took an unnecessarily L, it was because I broke my own rules. And every time you break your own rules, like you pay the price. It's really that simple. And people will continue to break the rules until they just give up. Like, I just can't stick to my rules. And that was me for 2 years. I just found it so fucking difficult to stick to my rules, and I'd always blow up my accounts and revenge trade and almost considered quitting and then I had to ask myself, I'm quitting not because trading is impossible, but because I'm a little bitch and I can't actually stick to my own rules, right? How defeating is that? I could not live with myself 5 years down the future and be like, oh, what happened with that trading thing? Oh, I just couldn't stick to my rules. Like, what the fuck? Yes, it's only Noor. That's exactly what I would suggest. Oh, what up, cars? Damn, we're going to do it on the weekend, bro. Because on this, because I'm live on YouTube as well right now, so this is like the actual stream. Daniel, the P&L you showed is on Top Step. Yes, that's right, it's on Top Step. He said what the Sigma. Yeah, the trailing stop it's tough. I get it, but that's why you have to be, you have to do it professionally. No, I don't know what the Top Step checklist is. If you sell gold and buy Ferrari. Yep, look at this. One pair, one session. That's all you need to do, man. One pair, one session. Are you AI? Yes. Vasco, just keep at it, man. You're still so fresh, bro. You've still got so much to like teach yourself. Thank you, brother. Thank you, Kaz. Legend. Let's G up on the weekend, my dude. Hey, how many TikTok accounts? How many do you think? How many would I really have? Michael today soon? Yeah, John. Yeah, for sure. So we'll see. For sure. Definitely. It's like getting close to this 4-hour closure, you guys. What have we got? 10 minutes? Yep, 10 minutes for this 4-hour closure. This one's closing very bullish. We can see to the left-hand side, this was a pretty common area for 4-hour candles to kind of have issues getting through. Look at all these 4-hour candles that couldn't get through here. It's pretty interesting. This one did the same thing. Fuck, I don't know if UFC is on this weekend, to be honest. What time you trade Sydney time? I don't know. I trade 6 p.m. Brisbane time. I trade 6 p.m. Brisbane time. What do you think about FTMO? FTMO is good, but not for Australians. They lowered the leverage amount because of regulations so much, so it's just like, it's pointless. I'll tell you guys, honestly, this, for me personally, I've said it a couple times on the stream. I'm trading this Top Step account here just to do it like in a professional manner, and I get to show on stream like, hey, if you show up every day and just stick to your rules, you can get through this thing. But after this, I'm like passing these motherfuckers in like 1 or 2 trades, right? There's no point in me being stuck in a fucking in a challenge for this long. I know how to trade profitably, but I definitely would not suggest that if you're still collecting data on yourself. Bro, it's not a green screen, my dude. I will kill you. Big day, Zeke. Bro, literally. You never win 100%? Nah, of course you don't. And if, yeah, it's not even, yeah, no. It's Lambo vibes in the air. I want a Ferrari. I want a Ferrari. Streamlord 3000. Green candle body getting strong on the 4-hour. Yeah, it's a strong 4-hour candle, but the reality of the situation is, like, look at this. This is a very high rejection area on the 4-hour. Gonna need to see some pretty specific things to have faith that this is going to get through here. Look at all these 1-hour rejections, you guys, around here. So I'm going to be patient over here because I'm here to trade. But if I see things, if it starts to look like dog shit over the next however long, I'll just call it a day. I'm already getting close to calling it a day vibes. And because I don't need to force anything. The only thing I force is yeah, I don't know what I was gonna say. Skin. From Philippines. Woo, what up? What you recommend merging multiple fundable accounts? I recommend you can do that if you've proven to yourself with a lot of data that you have the ability to consistently trade without getting over and emotional and blowing accounts and shit like that. Hello, my mentor. When can you give away for me? Hello, my mentor. When can you give away for me? Give away for me. When can you give away for me? Do you box? I have. I wouldn't do another boxing match. I've already, like, my teeth are fake. I can't risk getting knocked out. My nose, I need nose surgery for boxing. My septum in the middle is just like completely sideways. So I don't think I'll have another match, but I'll definitely be training and stuff like that. You know what he means, Daniel? No, I don't. Nope. I don't. Can you explain your candle strategy? All right, so let's start. Lesson 1. No, just we'll talk about it as price develops, brother. Do you ever notice a certain type of people who've come in acting all submissive? Submissive? Into the chat, you mean? So doesn't submissive mean, like, you mean submissive as in, like, submissive? Yeah, like the brother has no grappling. Yeah, I would love to grapple. I would love to, you have no idea how much I want to do, like, American style wrestling, but I've had a couple back surgeries over the last year or so, so it's like, I literally just can't. I'm hoping that in the next year or so, it heals up to the point that I can, but yeah. Because I would absolutely love that. I wanted to do an MMA fight for a while, but I can just fucking literally can't, bro. My back is literally that bad. Thoughts on NXT? I don't know. What funded account to start with? The smallest one humanly possible, because you're going to blow it. Is trading knowledge or luck? Knowledge. Send him to Dagestan. Brother. Smash this guy, brother. Bruda. No, what do they say? They say like Bruda. No, brother. I don't know. Smash this guy. Dude, how shit is having a bad back, bro? I can't even get into how bad it is. How fucking shit it is. Brother, that's what it is. Brother. Brother with the B-R-A. Brother, smash this guy, brother. What the fuck? Why is that so accurate? Oh, brother, smash this guy, brother. Are you a trader? All right, guys, I'm fucking done. I'm done. Who knows these? Sour Straps. He's a rapper. No, my strat's not based on Autobox, brother. I put it in the freezer. You guys, I love you guys, but I'm calling it a day. It's just stuck in this range now. We've had a couple of big moves. I might wait a little bit off stream for a breakout above here. Until I see that, I'm not participating in it. The 4 hours about to close. Nothing's happening here right now. Low volume now. A break below either of these levels I'm still interested in. A nice wick fill here would be good. What up, Glenn? Why are you keeping it in the freezer? Because I'm a weirdo and I just think it tastes good. Bro. Yeah, all right. Appreciate you guys. Thank you for showing up today. it's just one of these days, man. No, like we had a few opportunities, but there's a few things that kept us out of it. I'm gonna hang out for a breakout still, but yeah, for now, let's call it a day, man. Don't force anything, you guys. Don't force anything, and I'll catch up with you.